Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make a quick and easy coleslaw and egg sandwich. This is an easy recipe that you can prepare with your leftover coleslaw. So if you want to find out how I make this sandwich, stay tuned. This sandwich, I'll be showing you how I make my 7-up coleslaw. So to make the creaming dressing, I'll add mayo into a bowl, add black pepper powder, I will add onion powder, squeeze in some lemon juice. I want the dressing to be slightly sweet. I'll be using 7-up. You can use any sweetener of your choice. So I'll add some 7-up, mix together till well combined. I will pour the dressing mixture over the grated carrot and cabbage. Then mix to coat evenly. You can leave the coleslaw to rest on the fridge for some minutes. Bowl, I have the boiled egg, so I will mash the boiled egg. Done mashing the boiled egg, I'll add the egg into the coleslaw. Then I will mix together. Make the coleslaw sandwich. I'll add the coleslaw mixture on the bread. Then I will cover with another bread. You can cut into any desired shape of your choice. Finally, you can see how easy it is to make your coleslaw egg sandwich. You can use your leftover coleslaw to make this, and it tastes so delicious. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.